Hello, this is Corey with ActionBoxBreaks.com. We're about to do ID number 0432, one box of 2014-15 Panini National Treasures Basketball. Random teams, 2 for 15 total spots. Each spot gets you 2 teams on the checklist. We got one box, so no need to roll for which box. Only one box left. We'll roll the dice to see where everybody ends up as far as teams go. Right over here on the spreadsheet. Hawks up top, Wizards at the bottom. And as a reminder, if there's ever a multiplayer card, it does go in this room to the majority owner. So if you have 2 out of 3, that'd be your card. However, if it was 2 of one and 2 of the other, or 1 and 1, it will be randomized to any owner on the break. If a card comes up that has nothing to do with any of these teams, or points, for example, Panini points sometimes are in this product, it'll be random to everybody, every team, actually every person, and whoever's at the top, the name at the top, after we roll the dice and find that out, will be the winner of that product, that card, that redemption, whatever it may be. Here we go. 3. Lucky number 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times, guys. Good luck. And thank you as always. Everyone can see and hear me okay right now? We did have an issue with breakers earlier. I want to make sure we're all good before I do the randomizer. Are we good, Justin? All right. Here we go. Random.org. Run it at 3 times. Here we go. Good luck. Of course, in this product, this was a rookie for Wiggins in this year. So whoever gets the T-Wolves spot, that's pretty exciting. Of course, Bucks has a good rookie in there. Lakers have big hits. A lot of the big teams, of course. But for rookies, T-Wolves. Here we go. One time. Two times. Third and final random. Good luck, all. Lucky number 3. Alfredo up top. Justin down at the bottom. Everyone else in between. Good luck, guys. Copy and paste into our team spreadsheet. And there we go. Those are your assignments. And thank you to everyone that got in. Alfredo, Justin, Lydia, Tom, Gator, Jared. So let's see. Some of the bigger teams. T-Wolves, Gator. Is Gator going to take the mojo from the 75th anniversary just broke and move it into some Wiggins action? The Bucks, Justin. That could be a Jabari Parker. What's some other big teams? Celtics are always nice. That's Justin. Golden State Warriors, also Justin. Man, Justin got from the Warriors straight down to the Bucks. Lakers, that's a big team. Oklahoma City Thunder. That could yield a nice card there for Jared. Tom, Gator, Alfredo, you guys all got some nice chances. If you guys are in the room and want to trade, feel free to do so. Otherwise, we are about to RIP this. Jared, are you in here watching? Are you good with your teams? Anything you want to trade? Anybody want to trade? Justin, you want to trade with yourself? Maybe Justin, you want to give me like the Lakers, the Bucks. You can just give me teams if you want. Justin says R.I.P. it. All right, no trades, no trades. Last call for trades, y'all. Last call for trades. Again, everyone that's in this break, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Appreciate your business. I hope you the best. The NT... Oops. Oh, yeah, that's right. I think I might need to replace this blade here. Alright, alright. Here comes the NT Crunch. Ooh, that was a nice one. And there's the box there. Oh, Curry. That would be sweet. One Curry logo, man, and you just like pay some massive bills. All right, Jared's in the house. Yeah, Jared's going for a Lillard. That'd be sweet. Jared's got the Blazers. I want to see a nice RPA, and this stuff, it's rare. Like you only see like one rookie patch, official RPA, I think, in a case. Plus, obviously, we're always looking for those logo mans. Anything sweet. I'm excited about this. No looky. All right. Let's see. What do we have? Oh, I'm excited. Who wants to give me all their teams? I want to be in this. All right, well, here we go. Good luck, guys. First up, we have Mr. John Wall. John Wall, number 3 of 99 for the Washington Wizards. And Justin, that one's yours, buddy. John Wall. John Wall base card to 99. That's not so bad. Next up, we have a printing plate. Printing plate next up for the Los Angeles Clippers. Jamal Crawford. 6-man extraordinaire for the Clippers. That's Justin. Let's see if it's really Jamal Crawford on the back. Remember when we had that crazy Abdul-Jabbar and with somebody else on the back? Ah, this one actually still says Jamal Crawford. Black, 1 of 1 printing plate. Jamal Crawford for the Clippers. Yeah, we wanted to see what that back says, didn't we? And this printing plate is from 14-15 Panini Gold Standard Basketball. They put a lot of the printing plates from other products in here, so that's a nice one. It matches up, no error. Jamal Crawford, he's pretty good. Blazers got past him in the playoffs, but I think it's because a couple of his buddies hurt themselves. All right, next up, we have one player, 3 teams. Uh-oh. We got Fredette, 24 of 99 on the Kings, Bulls, and Pelicans. Do we have to random? Let's see. Sacramento Kings. That's Gator. Pelicans. That's Alfredo. And Chicago Bulls. Oh, that's also Alfredo. So Bulls, Alfredo. Pelicans, Alfredo. That's 2 out of 3. That is majority. Sorry, Gator, but that one goes to Alfredo. Congrats, Alfredo. Majority. That doesn't happen that often. Majority owner, Alfredo. Congrats, buddy. Not in the room at the moment, but I know you'll watch this video. Next up, we have the Beard, Colossal, James Harden, number 6 of only 99. Houston Rockets owner, Justin. Got yourself a Beard relic. Congrats, Justin. That's a pretty cool printing plate on that. Not all printing plates are worth a lot, but higher end products, pretty nice. Depending on the player, too. The bigger the player, the bigger the card, obviously. I don't like him either, but hey. Now, we've seen this guy before. How about Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Basketball Hall of Fame, Springfield Swatches, number 43 of 49, inducted in 1995. That guy had a hook shot for the Lake Show, LA Lakers, and Justin. Nice hit, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. It actually says Kareem Abdul-Jabbar on the back, too. Yeah, that's a cool old schooler. You're a funny guy, Justin. But I did look. All right, now we're getting to some of the serious stuff. Let's see what we got here. Next up, we have Mr. Walt Frazier, NBA Greats, number 71 of 75. Autograph for the New York Knickerbockers. That's Gator. Gator, you got yourself a nice old-timer, Walt Frazier. 71 of 75 auto. Congrats. It says Knicks, but they're the Knickerbockers. The New York Tall Sox. All right, next up, we have on-card auto, Jerome Williams, National Treasures Signatures. That's number 52 or 57 of 75 for the Toronto Raptors and Justin. That's yours, Justin. Jerome Williams. On-card auto for the Raptors. I'm hoping for something big in these last few cards. The last box wasn't so bad, but overall, it can't be the best one in here. Let's see. What do we have? What do we have? Come on. Dual Tim Hardaway and Tim Hardaway Jr. Aha, look at that. They're being tricky. Tim Hardaway and Tim Hardaway Jr. Come on, card. 12 of only 49. So that's the Warriors. The Warriors was Justin. And the Knicks, that's Gator. So that's going to be a random between Justin and Gator. I'm going to go ahead and run that right now so I don't forget at the end. Justin and Gator, we're going to roll the die to see how many times we randomize your two names. I'll put you in there each a couple of times. And then whoever's at the top at the end wins it. Give me a second to set that up. That's pretty cool. So top one is Justin, so I'll put you on a couple times first, then a couple times Gator. If I remember right, last box was between Justin and Gator on that crazy printing play. Actually, no, that wasn't crazy printing play. It was a different card, I think. And I think Gator won. I don't know, though. All right, here we go. I'll just keep the cards right there so you can still see them. Promise, no funny business, just bringing up the randomizer. Actually, let me roll the dice first. All right, here, roll the dice for how many times I'm going to randomize. 8 times. 2 plus 6 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 times on the randomizer. Whoever's up top after 8 times is the winner. Here we go. Good luck to you two. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lucky number 8. Gators on top. Gator pulls it out. That card goes to Gator. Sorry, Justin. Hey, what's up, man? You get your nice little Bart Starr card there? All right, let's finish this one up. That one did go to Gator. Nice. Willie C's in the house. That was the first timer. Pulled a big card. All right, let's finish this one up, guys. Next up, we have Michael Carter Williams, National Treasures Scripts, number 9 of 49. 9 of 49 for the Milwaukee Bucks. That's Justin. Congrats again, Justin. Michael Carter Williams. Yeah, no problem, Will. Like I said, when I get into breaks, I hate wasting, waiting forever. Some people, you don't get your cards for 2 weeks. When you hit a big card, I like to see it come right away, and that's part of what I do. Take care of my customers. All right. Now, we haven't had anything big yet here. This is the last card, so hopefully this is like an RPA or a big name, something here. Good luck, everyone. Oh, yeah, I've heard of this guy. You guys ever heard of this guy? Kobe Bryant. Colossal on-card auto jersey. Number 21 of 49 for the Lake Show, LA Lakers. Justin getting all those spots paid off. Boom. Boom sauce. Nice. Nice. Big name there. National Treasures Kobe jersey auto. That's kind of a nice card. Kind of a nice boom. National Treasures auto jersey of Kobe. Nice. And that is the break. No logo man, but that Kobe is sweet. Thanks, guys.